Oh. Hey Jared, what are we doing?
Today we're playing Jujitsu Power Shifter.
This is Jujitsu Goo Shifter. And who is this? What's his name?
Tyro.
What?
Tyro.
Tyro.
Open it.
Wow. Let's open it.
We brought it from this.
Bought this from where? Walmart?
Very good.
Wow. Look, show him. What's the color of his head?
Blue.
Blue.
To...
You try? Yeah. Do you need help? You're stretching him.
Oh, how about the core?
Try to press the core. Hang on. What's the color of his necklace? Look. Yellow.
Yellow.
He has what? Sharp teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the color of his shorts?
Red.
Red. What's his color? Is he purple or white? Purple?
No.
Are you ready? No? What color is that?
White.
White?
The water's white.
All right. Are you ready to press the core?
Yeah. It with it.
Crush the core and transform the goo. Let's see if we can crush it. Oh, it's hard.
Blue. Try it.
Let's try and try. Oh, don't pull him. This is a challenge to crush the core.
This is too hard.
We need some help.
Don't pop it.
I will not pop it. I'm helping.
Oh,
Where's Blazagon? Now Blazagon has a partner.
You can fight with it.
Hang on.
Let me just Blazagon.
Okay. Well, this is a challenge. I don't think I can squeeze this. Oh, I see it now. How to do this? How did I press it last time? You try it? Nope.
There with Pac-Man.
Aw.
It looks like a Pac-Man.
Looks like Pac-Man, right? Or inside. It's like a yellow ball. See? Yellow ball. Help me, I need my core crash.
Oh, where? Wait, can I find Blazagon?
Oh.
Let me check.
The core will not crash. Maybe Kuya can.
Maybe Daddy will. But you can crush it like...
We
Kuya!
have to pause. We need help for this. We're back. Now we're able to crush it. And he's now.
Where's Blazagon?
The blue Tyro.
Where's Blazagon?
Yeah, you show him. What's his name? I'm Tyro. Look at me. Stretch. I'm gonna stretch here. You stretch his arms. Whee! Don't break it.
But where's Tyro?
Look at me. I'm gonna tackle it.
But where is Blazagon? You can fight with it.
We'll find Blazagon. Hang on. Pause again. We're back. Look at us. I'm Blazagon.
Try.
I am stronger than you.
No, I am. Ready?
Let's see. Let's fight. Look at me.
Yeah.
I'm jumping.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Don't hurt me on my head, you bad Tyro. Be careful. They boxing. Like this.
Yeah.
Oh no! I'm gonna jump on you. Oh,
Yeah. I will win.
Now, 1, 2, 3. Where are you? Why are you
Yeah.
running away from me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Look, let's see if they will stand up together. Can we try? Their heads are heavy, see? I'm dizzy now, he said. I'm dizzy
I'm not
fighting.
dizzy.
I don't need weapon.
How
Oh,
are you?
look at his power. See? Inside, you can find his power. See?
Yeah.
Shoo! I won! Ho, ho, ho.
How are we?
Move closer here. Alright, see you next time. Come on, Tyro. Let's say bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Yay, we're happy. I have friends now. Because before we only have Blaze again.
And Tyro.
Yay.